You could finally change your YouTube channel banner right on your mobile phone. You could do this on iPhone and Android. And I'm updating this video because before you had to do a lot of complicated things like opening the desktop version of YouTube on your phone, on a browser. You don't have to do any of that anymore. You could do this right on the YouTube mobile app. So open the regular YouTube mobile app. Make sure you log into the channel that you want to do this to and press your channel icon here and go to the My Channel tab. That's going to bring you to this page. You'll see a pencil icon right over here. Press the pencil icon. And basically, right now, you could change your profile picture if you press this icon, this camera icon. Or if you press this one right here, that's going to let you change your banner. That's your channel banner here. Select this option. You could take a photo or upload one. I designed one here on Canva, so I'm going to upload it. And make sure the part of it that you want to be visible on the YouTube mobile app shows up in the square. That will show on all devices. On desktop, it's going to be the center, and on TV, it's going to be the whole thing. So make sure the part you want clearly visible shows up in this middle square, and then just go ahead and press save on top. And just like that, you've changed your YouTube channel banner on your mobile device. I hope you found this useful, and I'll see you next time.